Hi, and welcome to part 3 of my holiday gift giving guide. This is Michelle with the Medicine Couch. Part 1 was gifts under $25. Part 2 was gifts between $50 and $75. And this part 3 is going to be gifts that are higher end from $75 all the way up to $200. I have 10 great gift ideas to share with you, and all the links to these gifts will be in the description box below. I think there's some really great stuff on here, so let's take a look at what I found. I think this one is pretty cool. I think most people will think it's cool. It is a 1080 high definition projector. It can connect through Wi-Fi or through Bluetooth, and you can plug things into it directly. It has HDMI ports and USB ports. You can put a Fire Stick in there directly. This particular one has really great resolution, and people report that the picture is really sharp and clear. In addition to the clear picture, the sound is also really good. It has 10-watt hi-fi stereo speakers. It has a sleep timer, so it will shut off. You don't have to worry about it continuing to run. And it also comes with a carry case. You can mount this from the ceiling, you can put it on the table, or you can use the tripod that it comes with. Now, you don't have to have a screen to use this projector. You could project it onto a white wall or the side of an RV or whatever you want to do. So it's perfectly fine to gift this to somebody with just the projector, and they will be ecstatic to get it. But if you want to kind of complete the gift, then you could add a screen to it. So this projector right now is on a big sale for Black Friday. It is down to $127.80 when it's normally $279, it says. So if you like this, definitely jump on this deal now. So at $127, it's expensive, but it's not terrible. You could add a screen onto that. And so I'll put a link here to a really good screen. You can fold it up and bend it and everything, and it doesn't wrinkle at all. And it is 120-inch projection screen. So for about $150, you can give them the projector and this screen. Next is a 23andMe DNA kit. This particular one is the premium bundle, and it's going to give you your ancestry and trait reports like normal. But this particular bundle also gives you a report on the different health conditions that you are predisposed to. Now, there's the Ancestry and Health Kit that's a little cheaper at like $99, and it does that too, but it gives you 10 reports on that, where this one gives you 40. This particular bundle also gives you the pharmacogenetic reports as well. So either the 23andMe Ancestry and Health bundle at $99 would be great, or this one that gives you all that but a few extra reports coming in at $129. Next up, I have a telescope here. This is the G-Skyer telescope, 70 millimeter aperture. And this is not like a high-end, super nice telescope. So if somebody is already into astronomy and has their own telescope, this probably wouldn't be a great addition to that. From everything I've read, this is a good entry-level telescope. Now, with the lenses, you can see the moon, you can see the craters of the moon, you can get pretty detailed with that. And in fact, with the 70 millimeter, you can actually see the rings of Saturn, you can see Jupiter. It all sounds pretty cool. So for less than $80, you could get a really impactful gift that somebody's going to enjoy for many years to come. Now, next is something that I've seen a lot of people talking about recently. If you want to feel luxurious when you get out of your bath, then this towel warmer is for you. It's pretty large. It can hold up to 2 oversized towels. It can hold bathrobes, blankets, PJs. It has a 1-minute rapid heat up, and then takes 6 minutes for it to get to the highest temperature, so that when you step out of the shower, your towels are nice and toasty. So this is on sale right now for $117, down from $150. Switching over to the kitchen, I've got a couple Ninja appliances that are just fabulous. Ninja is the best at combining multiple functions into one appliance, and this is no exception. So this is the Foodie Power Blender and Processor System. So it has a crushing blender, a smoothie bowl maker, a food processor, and a dough mixer. It also has what they call the nutrient extraction cup, where you can blend right in the cup, and it has a variable control knob, so you can move that knob up and down as it's blending if you need more or less blending power. So all in all, a powerful machine, lots of torque, and it does lots of different things. And that is currently on sale. It's like $100 off, so it's $99.98 right now. So great time to score one of those. Speaking of Ninja products, here's the Foodie 11-in-1 6.5 quart cooker. It has a pressure cooker, steam, slow cook, sear or saute, air crisp, bake and roast, broil, sous vide, yogurt maker, dehydrator. So a whole lot of functionality in there. We have gone way beyond air fryers now. So this is the 6.5 quart at $153.99. Now we move from the kitchen to the outside with a Gorilla cart. I actually have one of these, and it is perfect. I use it for so many things. It's got a steel frame, but it's got this durable poly bed that is easy to clean and it won't rust. And what I love about it is it's got this dumping feature that is so easy to pull up, and you can just dump things right out. This model also features the flat-free tires, so you don't have to worry about keeping them aired up. So if you got somebody on your list that has a big yard or does a lot of work outside, this cart will come in handy so much. And that is $166 on sale right now. And then I have the Kindle Paperwhite. So Kindles are great, especially the new Paperwhite. It's like just reading a page of a regular book. It doesn't have all of the brightness and the problems with your eyes that you get with some other readers. It is so lightweight and easy to bring with you and small, so you always have books with you. And actually, when you buy the Kindle right now, you can get 3 months of Kindle Unlimited free, included in that price of $137. So you could gift that to somebody so they can get the reader, and then they've got 3 months of unlimited reading, whatever they want on the Kindle. So that would be a great gift for somebody that you know that loves to read. Now, the next one is not found on Amazon. It is actually a gift that will help support the local community, and it is, I think, one of the most innovative gifts. And that is giving them a membership to one of the local museums in your area, especially if you live near a big city. I live in Fort Worth, and there's the Modern Art Museum, there's the Science Museum, there's the Kimball, lots of different museums. And I looked at several of them and looked at the pricing, and they are definitely in this range, not only for a single membership, but you could also buy a family membership at most museums for under $200. And so they get a whole year of being able to go to the museums for free whenever they want. It's a cultured gift, it's a thoughtful gift, it's outside the box, and I think it's one of those gifts that would really surprise and touch somebody to receive it. Now, my last gift is a charity donation. So if you know that the person you're going to give the gift to has a cause that's kind of near and dear to their heart, then giving a donation in their name to that charity would be very meaningful, and they would love it. So if none of these gifts really spoke to you, you might consider looking at my gift guide for last year. That was one video, and it was particularly for gifts that PAs and NPs would enjoy, or basically anyone that works in medicine. So I will put the link to that video down below, and then here I'll put the links to part 1 and part 2 of this gift giving series. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, take care, stay sane, and I'll see you next time on the Medicine Couch. Bye.